Financial freedom, what it means, freedom is to have your own decision, controlling your own finance, not about an employer just controlling you and controlling your day offs, or your source of income is just limited. You just have salary at the end of the month, you get that salary. Though it has advantages, but still, some people, they prefer to have their own financial control. So basically, having the financial freedom is having your own time, a full control on finance, and the more you work, the more you gain. Unlike being an employee, the more you work, the less you work, you still have the salary at the end of the month. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss 5 ways in order to achieve that and action it. The first method to achieve the financial freedom, which is creating content. Creating content basically became smoother and easier nowadays. Relying on your phone, it's relying on whatever experience you're facing. You can just start with blogging. You just start with whatever you are doing in life. This for sure, each and every person of us has his own experience in life and has his own journey. So documenting this journey, whether it's a successful journey or journey full of failures, still people want to go through this experience. People, whether they will follow your lead or to avoid the mistakes that you did. So in both ways, whether you're achieving success or achieving failure, vlogging and documenting your own journey will be super beneficial. So creating content, try as much as you can to monetize it, reach audience. All of this, it doesn't require anything in the current era of our life. We just need to create videos. Everyone has his own cell phone with the camera. You can just start with whatever you have, upload it on YouTube. It's for free, and you will keep on doing your work for free until you monetize your own content, your own niche, your own videos. So that will lead us to the second way, which is basically teaching language online. Teaching language online is super simple, and you don't have to be a teacher. And in my opinion, do not teach English if you know English. For example, if you're dual lingual or multilingual, you can just do something using the English in order to explain your language to the foreigners. So it's not about teaching English, because for sure, if I'm trying to learn English, I'm gonna prefer the native speakers. So if you're speaking Tagalog, if you're living in the Philippines, or Spanish or Arabic like myself, you can just teach online. And there are a lot of websites that provide you such services and such platform. For example, you can start with Scriptly or Italki, and there are more and more and more. So the third method, learning more about dropshipping. Dropshipping, for those who doesn't know, the dropshipping is a way of connecting the customer with the supplier. So you'll be the middleman without purchasing a single product. You'll tell me, okay, so I need to have the skills of selling, the skills of marketing. The answer is pretty simple. No, you just can create an account online by just sharing on social media. And social media, guys, this is a huge platform to reach out different people. So if your product is already not clicking, people don't need it, simply you can just proceed and switch whatever other products that can be beneficial for people, because you didn't purchase the product, you don't have the stock for it. So you can proceed with the drop shipping, and also I'm gonna explain more in the description. You can just check this out. And the fourth method that you can use is something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically, for example, like right now, I'm shooting the video with the Sony a6400, and here I have a parabolic softbox with the light, and I have a lens of Sigma 16mm. All of these equipments I'm using in order to shoot this video. Simply, once you scroll down, you will see links for each and every product. I'm not the supplier for them, but with each and every click, if you manage to purchase such product online, I'll be having a commission. So it's simple. Like whatever niche you're doing, if you're gonna follow the first step, which is creating contents online, it's okay, you can do that. And at the same time, whatever niche you're providing, along with it, you can just add the links for each and every equipment to use in order to create that content. And at the same time, you'll be having some profit out of it. So affiliate market, like super beneficial nowadays. Something you can rely on. It's a passive income. You don't have to follow who's purchasing, who clicked, who didn't click. Just from time to another, you can check your page and see if you got commission. If you didn't, it's okay. You're just moving into your path without bothering yourself with the numbers. So that will lead us to the fifth way, which is the last way for today's video, print on demand. It's also including products in this. You can proceed with some websites. They're providing provide in, for example, if you want to sell some t-shirts or so, you don't have to purchase the t-shirt, put it in your stock. You don't have a stock, okay, you will just put it in your house, and too much stock, and then who purchased, who didn't, the shipping, all of these stuff, it's frustrating. So you can do one thing. You can just go to some websites for print on demand. What they are going to do is you will provide them a design to be printed on a t-shirt, and they will provide the service of printing. They will print it for you. They will pack it for you. They will ship it for you. And at the same time, you will take a commission. You don't have to print. You don't have to stock. You don't have to do anything. You basically provide in the design. So you will tell me now, okay, so how, for example, Canva, you can create your own design and then save it. Then you can provide it to these kind of websites such as Redbubble, for example. Redbubble is a great platform. There is something called Merch by Amazon, but in order to be accepted on Merch by Amazon, and the competition right there is so crowded and heavy, and competition is so advanced. So if you didn't catch Merch by Amazon in the previous 5 or 10 years back, I advise you to proceed with Redbubble. Is a nice website. And there are also another website like Teespring. You know, Teespring is also a website that provides you printing, shipping. So it's something you can use in order to proceed with this industry. Even if you're passionate about it or not, you still can design through Canva, then take the design to Redbubble or Teespring. Or if you have an open account for Merch by Amazon, that would be great. You can also post there. The purpose of this video basically is not about trying to be as rich as possible. After this video, you're not gonna be rich. You're not gonna be, whoa, I'm here. I became like the equivalent of Elon Musk. It's not like that. It's all about the process. Enjoy the process. Start. Literally, the videos on YouTube, I didn't achieve yet 100 subscribers, but it changed my life because I'm speaking to you guys. I'm having brainstorming. I'm sharing with you some ideas. So it's a great thing to do in order to achieve your dreams, is to start. Without start, there is no end. There is no achievement for your own dreams. Start. You don't have anything to lose, so why not start them from now? And all of these methods, by the way, cost you nothing. Like literally, you don't have to pay anything in order to post online or do affiliate market or do drop shipping or teach language online or print on demand. And this is only 5 methods of tons of millions of methods to achieve the financial freedom. But whenever I have something on my mind, I'll share it with you. But at the same time, if you have something on your mind, you can also drop that in the comment below. It's not about me advising you because I'm a millionaire or something. I'm not a millionaire. I'm trying to just show you the methods that I got my knowledge into. It doesn't mean that I'm perfect in them all, but actually I'm doing only 1 or 2 methods of all the methods that I presented. But at the same time, yes, it's about taking our hands to the financial freedom if we are chasing it. If you're happy to be an employee, proceed with what you like. We're not forcing each other. Only if you're interested, put a comment below, subscribe to the channel, help me to help you, and I'll help you to help me. And together we can make something useful to each other. And that's pretty it. See you in the next video.